My name is Justin Boy. I'm a technical advisor for B&W Energy Services. Originally, I'm from Western New York. I first became involved in B&W through a company called Orion International in my transition from military life to civilian life. The aspects of B&W that drew me to the company were the travel. I traveled a lot in the military, and I'd like to continue. The salary, I'd rather be paid salary than hourly any day. The benefits and the flexibility of B&W. I have worked on Refcard on South America, Valero. I've worked on Shell, which is over in the Netherlands, Shell Pernis. I've worked on a few paper mills, power plants throughout the country. I've probably done 7 or 8 local, they call them domestic jobs here in the States, and then 2 overseas. And I hope to continue the overseas. I love to travel. What do I do in my spare time? I like to hunt. I like to fish. I like cars. I like working on cars. But the most important thing in my life is my family. I like to take them to hunt. I like to take them to fish, amusement parks, whatever you can do when I have time off. I think my coworkers would think that I'm attentive. Attention to detail is one of my main points. Hardworking, and I like to get the job done right and on time. The people in B&W are very, very helpful, caring, I can say. Any issue you have, they will take the time to assist in that issue, to fix any problem you may have. I couldn't ask for a better team to work with.